the plastic lid off?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, a bit off.
Let's play it.
Let's play it.
Take it out.
Yeah, take out the parent bird. He's got a magnet in his beak. A magnet in there. And there's magnets on top of the little wormies' heads. Yeah, and that's how they connect. Just like that.
Yeah. Vicky, go outside of that room. Birdie, go fly ears. Real birdies.
Like real birdies fly in the air.
Yes, these things.
With these wings.
Land on feet.
Oh, and land on the trees with this bird. Okay.
Here are tops of feet.
Okay, well you show me.
Come on.
Down, there we go.
Mom, find a penny birdie leg on. Come find a place of birdie is home.
Yeah, okay. Let's go find the place that is their home.
This is very naughty.
Not here, okay. What about in these trees? These look like good trees.
Yeah,
Yeah?
the feet are dirt.
Yeah, there's dirt down here.
So I get that this or that beak.
Oh, on the beak, okay.
The fingers.
Finding the worms in the dirt.
Not here.
Not here.
Not here.
Not here.
Turning around and finding those lips in the house.
Oh, that's a good tactic. In the box. Let's go get those worms.
Mom will get it.
Mummy, go get it. All right, hang on. All right. You're welcome, sweetheart. There you go.
Let's get this little necklace. That peels. Final lives
Worms in the dirt.
in here. That's mine.
Is there one there? No. One there? No. One there? No. Hey, little birdie. I think there's one over here. I think there's one right here, birdie. You want to see? Tweet, 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 tweet. Yay! Got one! Yay! Now we can feed it to our little baby bird.
Yeah, put the right there on this other one.
Okay.
Then I'll go to the planet.
Mm-hmm. Not there. Not there, birdie. Try a different spot. Oh, there's one. Good finding.
Put it in here.
Oh, okay.
But I'm making a rhino's step.
Oh,
The birdie is rhino's.
okay.
Making all these rhinos. This is Get one!
Got one. Good job, birdie.
Let my bench.
Leaning on the the branch. Oh, bless him.
The birdie like bench.
They like leaning on the branches, don't they?
Yeah, the people was on the bench.
Mm-hmm.
Dirty?
A bit dirty. That's okay. Worms like the dirt. Ooh, Kookaburras. They're up. There they are. On top of the pole there. 2 of them. Kookaburras. Yeah, you see them? Alrighty. Now we got all our worms, little birdie. Pop them in Mummy's hand. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Okay, let's go give them to our little baby now. Right now we put our worms in the holes. Got one and then feed him to his baby. Yeah.
1,
2.
8, 9, 10.
Oh yes, the numbers are.
1, 2. Oh, no.
Oh, you put it in the baby's mouth, remember?
Yeah.
It's in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in there. There you go. Alright, we count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 worms.
I got one.
Got one.
8.
8 altogether. Right, now we feed them to our baby. Alright, like you do it. Like you feed the baby. Alright, stand it up like that.
Get away. No, hold on.
Oh, they're coming up. No worms here. There they are. Oh, there's a worm there now. Oh, there's 2 more. Okay. Here we go, little baby. Have some worms. Have some breakfast. That's really good. Oh, in the top. Oh no, they've come down. By hand. Gotta feed the baby. Om nom nom. Yay! Om nom 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 nom. Oh yeah, he's having a big breakfast. All these worms. And there we go. He's nice and full now. All these worms. Yay! Thank you. Yeah. Alright guys, we will see you in the next video. Had a lot of fun doing this. Hey, going outside? Yeah, sure did. Say bye, little birdie.
Bye, little birdie.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching.